First of all, remove the battery. Slide both the locks inside into inwards. Remove these two rubber bases. Under the rubber base there are two screws. See whether any screws are there under the DVD drive. Okay, we are done with the screws. After removing the bottom casing, as you can see, this is the BIOS battery here. So whenever your laptop, sometimes when your laptop turns on but there is no display, you can try resetting the BIOS. Or whenever you, after removing the battery, if your laptop is resetting the date and timing, that is, if it is going to a previous date and timing, then this BIOS battery might have not stopped working. So in that case, you can insert a new battery. So take a new battery with, say, 3 volts. So now insert it here. For resetting the BIOS, just short these two terminals here, this way, then insert it back. Sometimes just removing the battery and keeping the laptop idle for a few minutes will also reset it. After fixing everything, take your back cover, bottom cover, just a moment. Just fasten the fan screw, which we didn't pleat. Okay, yes, only that one was remaining. Okay, now take the bottom cover here. Take this DVD drive, fix it back. Okay. Now go on fastening the screws. Hope this video was useful for you and will be helping you. If this video is helpful for you and if you have liked this video, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Keep watching our videos as I'm trying to upload the videos, whatever work I do on my own in my household. Hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time. After inserting all the screws, just use this here rubber pad. Anti-skid rubber pad these are, so that when you keep the laptop on the desk, it will not slip. Just switch it on and check. I don't know whether the battery is charged or not. See here, battery is not charged, so I connect the adapter. Here the power light is glowing, fan is rotating. We'll wait for the display. Hope this video has helped you and was useful for you. If this video has helped you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.